Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Substack as a creator. To begin, simply create your free account and select a unique name for your publication. Next, personalize your space by customizing the design, adding a logo, and crafting a warm welcome message for new readers. If you have an existing audience, you can easily import your email list to get started. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your content and subscribers. Now, let's talk about creating great content. Substack's editor is super user-friendly, allowing you to write engaging posts with ease. You can enrich your content by including images, audio, or even video embeds to keep your readers captivated. For consistency, remember to schedule your posts in advance, ensuring a steady flow of new material. Consider offering a mix of free articles and exclusive paid content to appeal to a broader audience. Growing your audience is key to a successful Substack. Actively share your publication link on all your social media channels to reach new potential readers. Always encourage your current subscribers to share your valuable posts with their friends and family. Consider collaborating with other Substack writers. Cross-promotion can introduce your work to entirely new communities. Finally, optimize your welcome email to make a strong first impression and encourage continued engagement. Monetizing your passion is straightforward on Substack. You can easily set up paid subscriptions, allowing your most dedicated readers to support your work financially. Remember, Substack takes a 10% cut from your paid subscription revenue, so factor that into your pricing. Foster a strong community by actively engaging with comments on your posts and participating in discussion threads. You can also use the chat feature for more immediate, real-time interaction with your loyal readers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.